Tomorrow on E, the Kardashians are back with their biggest season ever. You thought last week was good. They're just getting started. Sister versus sister.
You're going way too overboard. I like Jersey Shore. Jersey Shore. Awesome. What? That's on MTV.
Don't miss a super new Kardashian.
I didn't see
Tomorrow
that.
at 10 Eastern, 7 Pacific.
I gotta
Only
see that.
on E.
A couple play. Over you. What, are you jealous of my burping, huh? Let's go. Fake burping. I learned how to do it. And I'm going nuts right now. Oh, God. Bye. I'm sleepy. Wait, I feel something coming. Oh, yeah, beat that. Whoa, that was chunky. Can't burp now. I feel something. I feel something coming. I feel it. I knew I felt something. Feel something again. Feel something. Wait, I feel it. Feel it. Feel it.
What about the speaker? I couldn't have it, Tom. Why not? They don't work there anymore.
I feel something coming.
What? Not laid off.
Well, I just like shit.
This is stuff. Oh my God. You should have told us. I didn't want to worry you, Ted. I'm very to school. Oh, you come down here every day. All day long. I sit on the bench. I go over and I visit the hospital, and I help out at the church, and I look for work every day, but there's nothing out there. We're going to lose the house, Tom. We're going to lose everything. No. Are we okay? I'm not so sure anymore. How old are you? Oh, God. I'll be blasted and I'll get a job. No, we'll figure it out. Hey, you have so many friends here in town now. I'll go talk to everyone. No, you won't. Mary Kincaid does not ask for charity. I couldn't endure it.
I'm gonna burp.
Humiliation. We will suffer this alone. The last thing that I still have that is mine is my pride. Thank you.
I've never. I think I burped too much.
No.
Oh, there we go. There we go.
Shouldn't I be in the second? I shouldn't be bigger? You're funny big, Tanya. Can you fix it? I'll see what I can do. I messed up my nose. I hate that.
Bye.
I love you, though.